crazy, but it's tasty. It's crispy. Alright, so we're going to try a TikTok viral cooking hack. It looked very interesting to me. Air fryer pasta chips. The technique is you boil some pasta and then you air fry it afterwards and they become crispy like chips. And you make a like little dip and it's a nice little snack. You can use just about any pasta you want, but I had bow ties on hand. So I'm going to use bow ties and I'm going to mix up a little French onion dip. Actually, no I'm not. Oh yes, yes I am. Pasta chips with French onion dip, okay? So let me show you how it's done. I got some water boiling over here and we're just going to boil up our bow tie pasta. So you want to cook your pasta till it's al dente. So salted water, pasta, cook for 9-10 minutes, whatever it says on the box. This says 12 to 14 minutes. So I'll end up putting 10 minutes on the timer and that should be perfect. All right. Now, while we're waiting for that to boil, I'm going to mix up some French onion dip. It's not rocket science. I'm all about easy cooking in the kitchen. I have a small kitchen. I live in an RV with limited supplies and space. I try to make my cooking as easy as possible. Onion soup mix, sour cream. Let me get another bowl. This is 8 ounces of sour cream. One packet of French onion soup mix. Stir that up. All right, now what could be easier than that? All right, we'll just put the top on this. We'll put this in the refrigerator. Till we're ready to use it. All right, so now we just wait. All right, now that we have our pasta cooked and drained, we'll get ourselves a big bowl. Boom. Big bowl. Take your pasta, dump it into the bowl. A couple tablespoons of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. I like it cheesy, so I'll put a sprinkle more. Teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of onion powder, and just a little bit of crushed this top sucks. All right, a little crushed red pepper on top. And give this a good stir. All right, so once they're all coated up nicely, you want to get your air fryer heated up, 400 degrees. I usually do 2 minutes to preheat it. I like to taste it just to make sure the flavor's there, so it's got a good flavor, right? So there you go. All right, so once it's all preheated, heated up. So it says to dump it all in there, but I think this is gonna overflow it. So I'm only gonna do half, all right? So we got about half of the mixture in there. Put it into the air fryer. Again, 400 degrees. For 10 to 15 minutes. We'll start with 10, and if we need more time, we'll give it more time. All right? So in 10 minutes, we'll see what we got. About halfway through, you're going to probably want to pause it and just shake it around a little bit so they evenly coated. Get them off the stuff from the bottom. All right? And then just start back up again. All right. Let's see what we got. All right, well, they're definitely crispy. You can hear it. They do look crispy. Let's get a little bit of our dip here. Our French onion dip. Like this. Ooh, you know what I should do? I should put it in the middle. And then surround it. Like that. There you go. air fried crispy pasta with French onion dip. Looks good, right? Let's go in for a bite. Let's see. See that? Crispy that is. Huh. It's crazy, but it's tasty. It's crispy. You can do any dip you want, really. And I imagine you could spice this up and season this up any variety of ways. But if you want a quick snack, because this only took about 15 minutes, try this. And as you're chewing it, the crispiness goes away, and then you're left with just a pasta noodle. So it's a little soft on the inside. So, all right, well, I'll give this an 8 out of 10 for taste, ease, and accessibility. I don't know, but I think you should try it. And then when you do, comment below and let me know how it came out and how you made yours. Go out and make yourself some crispy pasta chips. You won't be sorry. All right, well, this is Buck. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe. That always helps me out. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.